Spares are an extremely important part of the game. One reason bowlers have a really high average is they're excellent spare shooters. You know what? Even the best bowlers in the world, yeah, they throw strikes a lot, but they're the best spare bowlers as well out there. My name is Scott Pohl. I'm a 3-time USBC Eagle champion. We're going to show you a game you can get out there and play called Spare Shooting 1-1-1. We're going to show you a game to have a little bit of fun and be a better spare bowler. One way to be very effective at this is use a ball that goes fairly straight, or even use one that you can flatten out to make go straight. Well, how do we play this game called Spare Shooting 1-1-1 or 111? With a full rack of pins on the first ball, what you want to do is go for a corner pin, or knock down as few as possible. Next, what you want to do, the pins that are left, you just want to go for a spare and do this for 10 total frames. A perfect game is 111. All right, we showed you numerous ways how to be a better spare bowler with the 1-1-1 game. Start with your spare ball. Whatever you leave, make that spare. Get out there, practice this. I guarantee you, you'll have a lot of chances to throw out a lot of different combinations and be a better bowler. I really hope this video helped you.